today I have a review for you guys. This company that I am reviewing is a black owned company. Usually I really like work with like AliExpress companies here and there, but this was a black owned company, so when she reached out to me I was like all for it. So the name of this company is J Adore Naima, and this is the packaging of her stuff. It's real legit. So yeah, the hair that she sent me were two 18s and a 16-inch, and I think this is Brazilian basically. And the little bag that she sent, that she will send you, it comes with like a little stocking cap. Not really a stocking cap, but something to kind of put your hair. Oh, it is a stocking cap. Oh, this cute. I thought it was just like a little bag to put your hair in, but I didn't know it was like a little damn, I could have been using this. Well, this is cute. Yeah, she sends you this, and she also has her little card in here. I will link all this information on her card down in the description box as well. What is this? She got all her her social media on here and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I never received any packaging like this before. Usually like it just comes like in a little bag and, you know, maybe a little pack of lashes, but this is real official. So, and she didn't put the rest of it in, but I said, okay, I'll put the rest of it in, and I just never did, so whatever. I'm not putting it in. But yeah. So basically my best friend did my sew-in for me. She did an amazing job. What I was saying is I took a razor comb and I just made like slight layers in it. Nothing too dramatic. I don't really know how to do stuff like that yet, but just kind of put a little bit of layer to it, and I curled it with a curling iron. This is like a old curling one. I need a new one because this one is just like not doing for me. It don't really get hot or anything no more, like really hot, and the curls don't last as long. So I think I'm gonna go and get another one. If you know any good ones, let me know. I like to use curling irons like this versus like a wand curler or anything. This is what I know how to use. So yeah, if you know a good one, let me know. Yeah, cons about this hair, honestly and truthfully, this is like the first hair that I got that never shedded on me, never like tangled, matted or anything like that. Did I say it don't shed? Yeah, it don't shed at all. Like, this is just really some good hair. The hair is really soft. Kind of interested in trying her other textures too, because this hair was like extremely soft. It didn't give me no problems at all so far. Keep in mind, I've been only wearing this for a week because I don't keep my hair in that long. So keep in mind that I only have this hair in for a week. I guess maybe I'll do like an update or something, but I don't know, because I want to take this hair out and then put some other hair in. But yeah, I love this hair. I love this. I feel like Olivia Pope with this. I feel like it came out pretty. It's very simple, basic sewing, nothing too crazy, nothing that I'm used to, because y'all know I like long hair and I like really big hair, but this is really like mature. Like, this is really mature of me. Okay, J Adore Naima, I would recommend if you are trying to get some like affordable bundles. You just want like a nice simple style, or you know, however you want to do hair, I would recommend them. So far that's the best virgin hair I've received so far. Hope you girls enjoy this little tutorial / review. I will see you girls in my next video. Bye.